One more. From Mum and Dee yesterday. It looks like W's.
Clybiau'n Cymru Kids Clubs was set up back in 2001 to help communities across Wales develop and support affordable, accessible, quality out-of-school childcare clubs. An out-of-school childcare club is an after-school club or a holiday club that supports working families or parents wishing to return to work or training. We are also an approved training centre, so we provide training and resources to play workers. The Hanfod Cymru grant has helped us to develop a project called Gower Play Our Way. It follows on from the success of two previous projects, Pembrokeshire Park Play Our Way and Snowdonia Park Play Our Way. Through the Gower Play Our Way project, we have developed some activities which we will be giving to out-of-school childcare clubs. We have invited two after-school clubs in Swansea to develop some activities with us. So they're going to have a go at the activities, which you can see here, tell us what they think, and then if we use their feedback to produce the final project. The final project will then be featured in our Nature Zone pack. This is available to all our member clubs across Wales. It's a free resource that they can use anytime they wish to. So the activities will go into this. We'll also be holding a launch event later in the year where we'll bring playworkers together to network, to learn more about the project and to have a go at the activities to take back to their settings.